Hello, I hope this video helps someone who needs the how to use the dash cam on GLS MB models. You have to go to app site, click the app, click the dash cam, and right now it's not connected because I have the ignition on. As you see, now loop recording started, so you will see that. So you can choose the all recordings over here, and when you go to the middle side you can see the capacity of the flash drive. And also, this is the important, I'm using the Samsung 128 gigabit flash drive. You have to use this side, remember, because the left side should be connect your cable, otherwise you are not able to use the Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. So right now I am recording, and for your reference I just recording the front. There is a dash cam over here on this side. I got a 360. I got like a fully loaded package but not all around the car. I was expecting at least recording the back. Anyhow, so this is not bad. Recording doesn't get the voice, just the video without the voice. You can choose the loop recording. You see the settings. When you click, you go to automatic loop recording. When you click, you have to choose the yellow things active, so then you are good to go. Each time when you turn on the car, it starts recording without your permission. And sometimes you have to check your recordings, because I just noticed that I got 128 gigabit, so suddenly stop recording. The record capacity not bad, like 2 months, but remember, keep in your mind, if you drive a lot, so check every month, maybe every 45 days, for your safety, because you never know when you need it to record in case of anything happens. So I hope this video helps who needs to how to use the dash cam on the GLS model, because I checked YouTube, I don't see anyone else doing this. And like I said, this is the recordings. Quality is not bad, but I was expecting better. Alright, thank you. Enjoy your car. Bye bye.